All right, Sneaks, your art is unique. It's unique. I can look at all of your pieces and know they came from you out of a lineup. I could
Okay.
tell that it's from you. So, where did you first start doing your? I mean, what brought that particular brand of art to you?
I'm one of those type of artists. People say I'm an artist. I still find it difficult to say
You said
that.
it fancy too. You said it fancy too. Artiste too. Use your
Oh,
finger up when you pick your pinky up.
um, I, what was the question? Sorry.
So how did you your the way you design your artwork and the way it looks? How did you come across doing it that way?
Oh, there's thousands upon thousands of artists out there, and a lot of people have got their own style in that. I just didn't want to copy anybody whatsoever. Um, I used to stay away from um, social media on how people do things and when they finish things. I don't want. I wasn't really interested in that. The first few years of becoming a creative artist, I used to just focus on tool safety. Do you know what I mean? I just wanted to know how a tool worked and how to use it properly. Um, so that's all I was working on for a good couple of years. But my particular style, it's random. It's just random. Um, some of the later pieces that I've done, uh, people have asked me to do those styles. Well, asked me could I do some style, and I've done it in that way. But they always say to me, whatever you do, Sneak, just sneakify it. Though if they've got a particular design that they want me to do, they'll always say sneakify it. And I understand what that means. Do you know what I mean? They really want me
Mm.
to put in my juices into that piece. But no, I don't like to go out there and look and copy what people have done. Do you know what I mean? I like to be. I've never been a
Mm-hmm.
copycat really. I've always tried to do my own thing. Do you know what I mean? I get more pleasure out of doing my own thing than looking at what somebody else has done and then try to redo that. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't get no pleasure in that at all.
Yeah. So I get a lot of times I get somebody will say, "Hey, so and so does it like this," and I say,
Yeah,
"Cool, keep on watching them."
yeah, yeah,
Because I can't do it. Like I'm not some. You're not somebody else. You're your own person. So I get it. I get it quite a bit actually. Well, so and so does it like this or whatever, and I'm like, cool. I'm still.
I've
I'm
had
not
a,
doing it that
I've
way.
had a, yeah, I've had quite a few people in the last few years advise me, why don't you use a CNC machine? A CNC machine is a beautiful invention. Do you know what I mean? It's a beautiful thing. But I don't think it would suit my criteria in the art that I do because I'm a free flow creative artist. Um, Nothing's mapped out, nothing's planned. It's just free flowing. However my hands go, that's how it goes. Um, Obviously, if
Mm-hmm.
I was to get a CNC in later years, it will be like to do repetitive stuff like logos and labels and stuff, my own tags and stuff. That's what I would use a CNC for. I wouldn't actually use it to create my art. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, but I have been offered a CNC machine, and I've just like I just don't see the need for it. Do you know what I mean? I prefer to keep it more freehand and natural. Obviously there may be a time for me to use a CNC, but at this stage in my creative artwork, no, I don't think I will be using one for now.